Pond's AI Skin Scan to assess my skin condition and guess my age. Girl, this is interesting. We need to try this. After waiting guys, meron ng results and sabi ni AI, 20 years old lang daw ako. While in fact, I'm already 23 years old. So I guess my anti-aging serums really works. Actually mga sister, pangalawang bottle ko na to and this is from Pond's. Ito yung kanilang Age Miracle Ultimate Youth Serum. Ito yung may hexylretinol. Combination siya ng hexylresorcinol, retinol C, and niacinamide. And sa malapitan ate, kung mapapansin nyo, meron ako mga dark spot and redness dyan. Pero mga sisi, sobrang laki na ng improvement nan compare last month na sobrang inflamed talaga ng skin ko and sobrang kitang-kita yung mga blemishes. Pero ngayon, medyo less visible na siya. And I'm really happy about it. Available naman to sa mga physical stores pero meron na silang TikTok shop mga ati. Check nyo na lang din from time to time yung Yellow Basket kasi minsan talaga nagbabuy one take one sila or nagsisale. So yun lang, bye!